Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 13. Find the simple interest of 800 naira 00 kobo for 2 years at 6% per annum. A 60 naira, B 81 naira, C 96 naira, and D 186 naira. So we have to find the simple interest of 800 naira for 2 years at 6% per annum. And like we know, simple interest is represented as I, and it is given as I is equals to what? PRT all over 100. PRT over 100, where P is your what? Principal income. P is the principal income. R represents what? R represents the rates. R represents the rates. And then what? T represents the time. T represents the time. Where I is the simple interest which we are looking for. Now, from this question here, we have what? That we have to find the simple interest of 800 naira. Now, 800 naira here now is our what? Is our P. Our P, which is the principal income, is 800 naira for 2 years, meaning that what? The time for this simple interest is 2 years. That's T is 2 years at 6% per annum. That means the rate is what? R is 6% per annum. That's per year. Now let's go further with our calculation. So simple interest I is equal to PRT over 100, like we know. Now what's our P? Our P is 800, so 800 multiplied by what? R, which is the rate, 6, multiplied by 6, multiplied by what? T, which is the time, 2, so multiply by 2, all this over what? 100. Now let's simplify. The 0, we cancel the 0 here. This 0, we cancel the 0 here. So we are left with what? I is equal to 8 times 6 times 2. Now this is equal to 8 times 6 will give us what? 8 times 6 will give us 48, and 48 times 2 will give us what? 96. So our answer is 96 naira. 96 naira 0 kobo. Now from the option here, we have see that what? Option C says 96 naira. Option C says 96 naira, and our answer is 96 naira. So the simple interest of 800 for 2 years at 6% per annum is 96 naira C. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.